Adapting to change. 8 tips. 1. Accept and embrace what have changed. 2. Maintain a positive mindset. 3. Face your fears and have a plan of action to move forward. 4. Change the way you see things. 5. Try to look for the good and positive in bad situations. 6. Erase self-doubt by working to build your strength. 7. Don't overestimate your problems and don't underestimate your abilities. 8. Surround yourself with positive people. Remember, by not giving up and adapting accordingly, change can help you build more courage, can help you build resilience, can help you be more compassionate toward others in the same situation, and can give you more wisdom from the experience.